This is something that was hurtful that it didn't happen, because personally, we knew about this deal. And in fact, our company here is Toys Electronics, and we launched toys right at this time. And here was the ad campaign he had with General Motors. Now, General Motors had a Pontiac division. They were going to launch a pickup. And here's 50 Cent with Bob Lutz. Bob Lutz is a huge auto executive. He's worked General Motors, he's worked Chrysler. He's a legend. And here you have him with 50 Cent, and here they are at the New York Auto Show. But the big thing is that in the consumer, in the specialty equipment market, it's a $44 billion market in customizing cars. So the vision was to have 50 Cent partner with Pontiac, G-Unit editions, and everything. But unfortunately in 2008, we all know what happened. But getting into the market, Pontiac sponsoring concerts. I actually interviewed the executives. So in the book, you really get a real in-depth idea of how a car company was envisioning, interacting, and engaging with 50 Cent, and then creating products influenced by 50 Cent.